Srupsrisopa is founder and group CEO at Bitkub, joining us from Bangkok, and JP Ong also joins us for this interview. Topp, very good morning to you, and thank you for joining us today. Now, as Thailand's largest crypto exchange, when you look at these volatile moves in the crypto prices, what do you make of it, and what do you tell investors?
Right now, we are living in a volatile world. Inflation is hitting the new height. In the highest in the past 40 years, and the U.S. is increasing the interest rates. The liquidity is being sucked up from the markets. So I would like to warn the investors to not use risky money to invest in anything equity market or cryptocurrency market. And in the cryptocurrency space in particular, there is a 4 years cycle. Every 4 years, there's usually a golden year. And we have already passed the golden year in 2021. The last golden year was 2017, and the previous one was 2013. It usually happens after the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving happens once every 4 years. So I would urge the investors to be cautious about investing in the current market condition. With the macroeconomic overviews of, we are living in a very highly inflationary world, as well as, there's a war happening in Ukraine and Russia right now.
Now, you have a near monopoly in the Thai market, controlling 90% market share with Bitkub. Talk to us about some of the regulatory controls. Thailand scrapping the 15% withholding tax. How does all of this impact you?
Thailand is one of the fast forward country in terms of cryptocurrency adoption and issuing licenses. Bitkub is one of the very first in the world to receive this digital asset exchange license about 5 years ago. Usually in other countries, they don't really give out a proper direct digital asset exchange license. They would give out either payment license or remittance license, and the companies would claim to be regulated. But for us, we have a proper digital asset exchange license. The regulators have been keeping up with the technology and also the customers. We are one of the most active countries for cryptocurrency adoption per capita ratio. For tax as well. Thailand has been trying to study and improve the regulation to keep up with the technology. We are trying to strike a balance between allowing innovation to foster, as well as protecting investors to de-risk investors from new technology. So it's all about finding the right balance between the two, of moving fast and keeping up with the innovation, as well as being compliant and keeping the industry safe.